Hello everyone, I am Professor Sandeep Vidate. Today we discuss about the breeding method for vegetable crops. Okay, first we enlist the breeding method, then explain one by one. That is first enlist contains first method is plant introduction, second one is selection. In selection, three important methods. First is asexual propagated plants, second is self-pollinated crop, third one is cross-pollinated crop. Okay, in first asexual propagated crop, first important is a clonal selection method, and second self-pollinated crop, in which we discuss the two important method, that is pure line selection and single plant selection method. Then third one is cross pollinated crop, in which the most important method is mass selection method. Then these are the second selection methods. First plant introduction, second selection, then third one is line breeding. Then next one is a family breeding, then mass pedigree method, recurrent selection, hybridization, and inhybridization heterosis breeding method. We discuss one by one. The first, that is plant introduction. In plant introduction, it is an important method for improvement of vegetable crops, particularly for introducing crop like potato, tomato, capsicum, etc. Means plant introduction method is important for the those crops are like potato, tomato and capsicum. We discuss one by one. That is first the introduction may consist cultivars like true breeding material, heterozygous, that is heterozygous and heterogeneous material. Means in plant introduction method we discuss about our collection of material breeding material collected from the heterozygous, which is dissimilar in characteristics. Heterozygous means dissimilar their characteristics, and heterogeneous means dissimilar genetical characteristics present in a material or in a introduction material, in which we develop the number of cultivars by using the introduction method. For example, the crop like tomato. In tomato crop, we discuss or we evolve the new cultivars like Siox, Marglobe, Roma. Okay, these are the cultivars are developed by using the introduction method. Then second one important crop is a brinjal. In brinjal, black beauty, it is a cultivar developed by introduction method. Then third one is a pea. In pea, we develop Urkel and Bonville variety or Bonville cultivar by introduction method. Then fourth, watermelon. By using the watermelon, by using the introduction method, we develop sugar baby cultivar. Then cucumber, Japanese green long, and in cabbage we develop Pusa snowball and D96. These are the cultivars which we develop by using the introduction method. Then second important method is a clonal selection. In clonal selection, what in by clone, it is important, and by using the clonal selection method we develop the number of cultivars. Okay, first one by one we discuss, that is in clonal selection. Clonal selection, we use the clonal selection method in a asexually propagated vegetable crops only. Okay, the several cultivars have been developed by clonal selection, means those vegetable crops are propagated by only vegetative, that is asexually method, by using its plant parts like tubers, branches, leaves, etc. By using any plant parts, we develop the crop or propagation by the plant parts or asexually propagated crop. That is means we develop the clonal selection method. Then a clone it is referred to a group of plant produced from single plant through asexually propagation. Means clone means it is a single plant. From a single plant we develop the whole plant or a group of cell or group of plant produced from a single plant part, means clone or clonal selection. For example, in in potato, we develop Khupri Red is a clonal selection variety or cultivar Khupri red, it is developed from cultivar of Darjeeling. Then red round and Khupri Saped from cultivar of Pulawa. These are the important varieties developed by using the clonal selection method. Then beside these, a number of cultivars of potato, likewise Khupri red from Darjeeling red round and Khupri Saped from cultivar Pulawa. Likewise, we develop the number of cultivar by using the clonal selection method. Then other important vegetable crops also develop the number of cultivars by using the clonal selection method, in which that is pointed gourd, sweet potato, garlic, etc. have been developed by number of cultivar by using the clonal selection method. These are the like pointed gourd, sweet gourd and pointed gourd and sweet potato and garlic. These are the propagated by vegetative method or asexual method. Okay. In pointed gourd, we propagate the pointed gourd by using is hard cutting or wood cutting. In sweet potato, we use the runners for propagation, and in garlic we use the clove. Okay. Likewise, the clonal selection method is important for the asexual propagated crop. Okay. Thank you all of you.